Hey, everyone. Picture a world where humans never took the crown. No cities, no smartphones, no rush hour traffic. Instead, Earth is ruled by pandas. Yup, those adorable bamboo-munching fluffballs with the iconic black and white look. Sounds like a cuddly fever dream, right? Well, grab your bamboo shoot. Because today, we're diving into a wild what-if scenario. What if pandas evolved to become the planet's top bosses? Pandas are already nature's superstars. These charismatic bears are the ultimate chill masters, rolling down hills, chomping bamboo, and winning hearts with those soulful eyes. They've got a special thumb-like claw for gripping snacks and a knack for play that screams personality. But what if these lovable goofballs got a major upgrade and took over Earth? In this video, we're exploring how pandas could evolve into super smart rulers, build cozy bamboo empires, and maybe even outshine us humans at running the planet. From forest cities to a culture of naps and nibbles, this is going to be one fuzzy, fantastic ride. So, stick with us as we tumble into a world ruled by the ultimate cuddly overlords. Let's get rolling. How did these bamboo champs go from forest loungers to Earth's big shots? So, how did these bamboo munching, tumble happy pandas go from lounging in forests to becoming Earth's big shots? Let's dive into the science well. Science with a hefty dose of sci-fi fluff to figure out why pandas could evolve into the ultimate cuddly rulers of the planet. Pandas are already low-key legends. Those chubby paws, they've got a special thumb-like dew claw that's perfect for gripping bamboo like a pro, showing they've got dexterity to spare. They're also curious and playful. Think of them as the forest resident goofballs, always ready to roll down a hill or solve a snack puzzle. And despite their picky bamboo diet, they're tough, surviving in the wild with charm and grit. But to rule Earth, they need a serious brain boost and a sprinkle of evolutionary magic. Picture this: millions of years ago, Earth gets a wild shakeup. Maybe a massive climate shift turns the planet into a bamboo paradise, or a weird genetic glitch wipes out most mammals. Humans never got off the ground. Our monkey ancestors didn't stand a chance. But pandas, they're thriving in their leafy wonderland, ready to seize the day. A lucky mutation supercharges their brains, turning their playful smarts into full-on genius. Suddenly, they're not just chomping bamboo, they're thinking planning, maybe even hosting the first panda picnic. Now, let's talk about their bodies, because those are key. That thumb claw could evolve into a nimble, hand-like grip, perfect for crafting tools from bamboo or vines. Their sturdy bare frames might get sleeker, making them faster climbers, or better at hauling resources through forests. And their diet, sure, bamboo's their jam, but evolution could tweak their guts to handle more plants, giving them fuel to grow a civilization without needing to hunt. Unlike humans who relied on fire to cook meat, pandas could keep it green, making their rise super eco-friendly. Their social side is the secret sauce. Pandas are mostly solo in the wild, but they're not antisocial. They bond through scent and playful tussles. In our story, they get chattier, evolving bleats and chirps into a legit language like a fuzzy group chat. Their knack for play could spark cooperation, letting them share ideas like humans did with stories. Over time, they'd form tight-knit groups, passing down bamboo carving tricks or nap schedules, laying the groundwork for a society. Why pandas? They've got the dexterity, the charm, and the potential to level up. A bamboo-rich Earth would be their playground, and they'd roll right into the spotlight. Next up, we'll explore what their fuzzy empire looks like. Think bamboo skyscrapers, glowing fungi, and a whole lot of chill vibes. Stay tuned, this panda takeover is just getting cuddly. We've just seen how pandas could evolve into Earth's fluffiest masterminds with boosted brains, nimble paws, and a love for bamboo that's ready to take over the planet. But what happens when these cuddly champs start building their own empire? Get ready to roll into the cozy, bamboo-packed world of a panda on Earth. Spoiler, it's like a forest festival with extra naps and snacks. Imagine a panda city nestled in a sprawling bamboo forest, where towering bamboo spires sway gently in the breeze, their tips glowing with bioluminescent fungi like natural streetlights. This isn't some concrete jungle, oh no. The streets are soft moss paths, and vine-woven bridges crisscross between treehouses that look like giant, fuzzy dens. Pandas shuffle through bustling plazas, their black and white for gleaming, some carrying bamboo baskets, others just lounging in communal nap pools. It's a vibe so chill. You want to move in and snag a bamboo sofa. Let's talk society. Because pandas keep it warm and fuzzy. They're not into stuffy kings or bossy governments there. Playful roots make their society one big, cooperative panda party. Picture elder pandas with extra fluffy fur and wise eyes, guiding the group like cool grandparents. Decisions happen in glowing clearings where pandas chirp and bleat their ideas. Like a super cute town hall meeting, No drama, just lots of head bobs and maybe a group nap to seal the deal. Their tech is straight up bamboo brilliance. Forget metal or machines, pandas craft tools from bamboo and vines. Like spears for harvesting or baskets for storage. Their nimble paws weave plant fibers into clothing, and they grow fungi to light up their cities. Like eco-friendly fairy lights. Picture a panda engineer, munching thoughtfully on a shoot, designing a bamboo aqueduct to irrigate their gardens. It's sustainable tech that keeps their forest lush, proving you don't need factories to be fancy. Culture. Pandas are the artists of chill. Their art is all about nature. Think carved bamboo murals showing epic snack quest, or glowing fungal sculptures that light up festivals. Celebrations involve dancing well. More like playful tumbling around massive bamboo bonfires, with pandas wearing woven flower crowns. Their language, evolved from chirps and scent marks, is like a melodic playlist, saying everything from past the bamboo to time for a nap. It's a culture of joy, where every panda feels like part of the family. As they spread across Earth's forest, their cities connect through vine trails and scent paths like a fuzzy network of love. It's a world of harmony, snacks, and serious chill, built on the panda's knack for keeping it real. But can they keep this cozy empire thriving? Next, we'll dive into the challenges they face, from predators to their own bamboo obsession. Stay with us, this panda saga is about to get wild. We've just tumbled into the cozy, bamboo-powered world of panda civilization, glowing forest cities, nap-filled festivals, and tech that's all the way green. But running Earth isn't all snacks and snuggles, even for these fluffy champs. So, what challenges could shake up their cuddly empire? Let's dive into the wild. Furry obstacles our panda pals might face to keep their leafy paradise thriving. First off, the environment is a big hurdle. Pandas are bamboo forest superstars. But Earth's not one giant panda playground. Deserts, icy tundras, or open plains. Total no-go zones for these forest dwellers. Their bamboo cities rock and lush groves. But expanding to harsher lands means figuring out how to grow their favorite snack elsewhere. Maybe they'd engineer fungi to fertilize new forests. But a drought or fire could torch their bamboo supply, threatening their chill vibes. They need to get extra crafty to keep their munchies flowing. Then there's the predator problem. Pandas are cuddly, but they're not exactly ninja warriors. Evolved leopards or bears could see a panda village as a fluffy buffet. Imagine a tense standoff, pandas waving glowing bamboo staffs to scare off a massive predator. In a misty forest, they're puffed up with grit. Their smarts and teamwork could outwit most threats. Maybe they'd build vine traps. But a hungry pack could overwhelm even the fluffiest clan. Venturing into new forest might bring fiercer foes, like evolved wolves eyeing a panda picnic. Now, let's talk biology. Pandas are awesome, but their bamboo-only diet is a bottleneck. It's super sustainable, but growing enough bamboo to feed a big population is tough. Overharvesting could strip their forest bare, like humans did with crops. Their chill reproductive pace is another snag. Pandas don't pop out babies fast. So, building a global empire might take forever. Even with bigger brains, balancing nap time with baby time would be a fuzzy puzzle. They'd need to optimize their bamboo farms to keep the population growing. Sustainability is a major challenge, too. Their bamboo tools and fungal lights rely on healthy forest, but a booming civilization could accidentally chomp through too much. Picture a panda city dimming as fungi fizzle out. Yikes. They need to stay sharp. Maybe using scent signals to track forest health and avoid overusing. Resources. Their cooperative vibe helps, but rapid expansion could tip their eco-balance. Like humans wreck their lands. Finally, their chill attitude might wobble. Pandas love harmony. But what if clans argue over the best bamboo grove? Without strict bosses, settling disputes could get messy, with bleats turning into grumpy shoves. They'd need epic chirp fests to keep the peace, leaning on their family-like bonds. Can they overcome these hurdles? Their smarts and fluff say maybe, but it's a wild climb. Next, we'll compare their world to ours and ask, could these bamboo champs outdo humans at running Earth? Stick around, this panda saga is getting juicy. We've just rolled through the wild challenges our panda pals would face: tricky forest, sneaky predators, and their bamboo obsession threatening their fluffy empire. But how does their cuddly, bamboo-powered world stack up against human civilization? Could these chill champs really run Earth better than we did? Let's wrap up this fuzzy saga with a look at what their reign teaches us, and why it's worth dreaming about. Let's break it down. Humans built incredible things: spaceships, skyscrapers, WIF, but we also messed up big time with pollution, wars, and deforestation. Pandas, though, their bamboo cities and fungal tech are pure forest magic, growing with nature instead of bulldozing it. They're cooperative. Nap-loving society could skip our conflicts. settling disputes with chirpy group hugs instead of chaos. But here's the flip side. Their bamboo-only diet slows them down. Humans conquer diverse lands with varied diets, while pandas might stay forest-bound, missing out on global domination. Their simple tools are eco-friendly but might not spark a tech boom like ours. Still, their world is a heart-melter. Panda's knack for community shows us how to live together without drama. Like one big, furry family, their bamboo lifestyle screams sustainability, proving you don't need to trash the planet to thrive in like us. They'd probably never litter their forest with plastic. Their playful resilience is a lesson in rolling with life's punches, reminding us to stay chill and resourceful. It's a wake-up call to treat our own planet with a bit more panda love. So, what's the big lesson? This panda utopia isn't just a cute thought experiment, it's a nudge to rethink our ways. Pandas are already charm champs. Imagine what they do with a brain boost. Protecting their real-world forest means a healthier Earth for us, too. Could they outshine humans at running the planet? Their fuzzy, green vibes say maybe, and that's worth pondering. That's a wrap on our panda saga. What do you think? Would their bamboo wonderland beat our concrete jungles? Could their chill rains save Earth? Drop your wild ideas in the comments. We're pumped to hear them. If you love this fluffy adventure, smash that like button, share this video with your crew, and hit subscribe with the bell to catch our next crazy what if. Dive into our other videos on alien worlds, robot takeovers, or whatever else we dream up next. Thanks for tumbling with us. Let's keep exploring the impossible together. Stay cuddly and see you soon.